Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, Chapter 7, Section Problem 78. Titanium occurs in the magnetic material ilmenite, FeTiO3, which is often found mixed with sand. The ilmenite can be separated from the sand with magnets. The titanium can then be extracted from the ilmenite by the following set of reactions. So it gives us the percent yields of the two separate reactions being 90.8 and 85.9. It says that the initial percentage of the ilmenite in the sand mixture is 22.8. And it wants to know the mass of titanium that we can obtain from a 1 kilogram mixture of ilmenite and sand. So basically, this is a very wordy question that's saying that if we have 1 kilogram of a mixture one, first of all, 1 kilogram, we can convert to mole or to grams by saying that there's 1,000 grams for every kilogram. And what we're saying is that the first mixture, which contains both ilmenite and sand, if there's 100 grams of that, then 22.8 grams of that mixture is going to be ilmenite. Okay. So now if we were to stop our calculations now, we would be calculating how many grams of ilmenite there are in a 1 kilogram mixture, which previously included sand, or which does include sand. But we need to keep going. So the first extraction step, which is it's really irrelevant to this question, to the calculations, has a percent yield of 90.8%. So for every 100 grams of ilmenite, no, you're going to get, ilmenite. You're gonna, I understand. Okay, so the extraction has a percent yield of that. So while this previous one explained the grams of ilmenite, we have to calculate how much we're actually going to get. So for ilmenite total, this is total. Only 90.8 grams are going to be obtained of ilmenite. Obtained. Yes. Okay, so once we obtain our ilmenite, we need to perform a second extraction reaction, which will magnetically, right here, can be extracted. The titanium can be extracted from the ilmenite. So for every 100 grams of ilmenite, of ilm obtained, we can then extract 85.9 gram of titanium. So this kind of stepwise consideration of percent yields or product loss is very important in processes and understanding your efficiency, because every step your efficiency continues to get reduced and reduced. Okay, if you plug this into your calculator, you should get 177.83 grams of titanium. So let's see if that's what it was asking for. What is the mass of titanium we can obtain from a 1 kilogram sample of a mixture? 177.83. If we're considering significant figures, 177.8 grams of titanium. Good luck studying.